stocks, I think, priced in this thinking it was an absolute foregone conclusion, even though Chair Powell says it's not a foregone conclusion. It still feels pretty likely to continue this, particularly if the labor market does continue to crack, which Chair Powell went out of his way a few times to point out that that was happening, and there was this inflationary pressure that was likely, perhaps a one-off increase in prices from tariffs, but there is some concern that those tariff one-offs are very quickly going to become permanent, and that mixed together will give stocks some room to really question this. That said, the other questions that came up were all very much focused on AI, and AI seems to be driving the markets forward and upwards almost regardless of any of the other news. Very convenient scapegoat for job cuts that we've seen recently. And I do wonder if some of the folks asking the questions confused Chair Powell as the person running the Fed for someone running our innovation engine, because there's a lot of AI asked from the guy who's in charge of policy. But so far, I think we're seeing those come together in a meaningful way. And as long as there are deliveries on promises made by AI, both from a actual economic impact and then an ability to pull through to other parts of the economy, stocks will do just fine. If that starts to falter, we'll start to see much more severe sell-off.